Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a Fidelity bond. First, understand that a Fidelity bond is a vital protection for your business, safeguarding against financial losses due to employee theft or fraud. While essential, there might come a time when you need to cancel it, perhaps due to a change in business operations or switching to a new surety provider. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth and proper cancellation process. The very first step is to thoroughly review your existing Fidelity bond agreement. This document contains all the critical details about your bond, including the specific terms for cancellation. Pay close attention to sections outlining notice requirements, which are often 30 or 60 days, and any potential cancellation fees. Understanding these clauses upfront will save you time and prevent unexpected issues later in the process. Once you understand your agreement, the next step is to contact your bond provider or the surety company that issued the bond. You will need to submit a formal written request for cancellation. Be sure to include all pertinent information, such as your bond number, the effective date of cancellation, and any other details they require. Following their specific instructions precisely will help expedite the entire process. After submitting your request, it is essential to obtain written confirmation of the cancellation from your surety company. Keep these documents in your records for at least 7 years, as proof of the bond's termination. Finally, evaluate your current business needs. If you still require protection against employee dishonesty, ensure you secure a new Fidelity bond to maintain continuous coverage for your operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.